Hello, Future Millionaire. Today I'm making a breakfast video. Alright, what you're looking at is my breakfast, and that's the location I am. Let me turn it around. Hello. Yeah, I looking at the market of Bitcoin Cash. I realize a lot of people are coming to Bitcoin Cash without knowing anything about it and just being attracted by the price. And I decided to make 30 videos in the next 30 days explaining to anybody who has never seen anything about Bitcoin Cash before. I want to explain to everyone what Bitcoin Cash is about, why this coin can go to $500,000 coin, and why you definitely should consider switching some of your BTC or Ethereum into Bitcoin Cash to participate in the inevitable upcoming rally. All right, today is the part number one. First of all, you have to understand Bitcoin Cash is not a copy of Bitcoin. Instead, in 2017, a lot of people decided the limitation of 1 megabyte block size for BTC is too small, and you should scale on-chain, which means all your transactions should happen on-chain, and you should be able to track all the transactions on-chain. That is, after all, the design of Bitcoin, and after all, that is the original design of blockchain. So instead, there's one group of developer, which I shall not name here, decided that they should go for a different direction. They want to go for the store of value story, and the usage of Bitcoin as cash, peer-to-peer electronic cash system is not important to them. So instead, those people decided they stick to BTC, to the value storage story, and the other people who are more in line with the original vision of Satoshi decided to group together to create a hard fork. It literally just means a different version of the same software, and let the market decide if you want to take on this software or not. If all the miners decided no one want mine Bitcoin Cash, then that chain would have died. Instead, what you have observed is, after a few times splitting and changing of directions, Bitcoin Cash not only has survived, it's actually thriving tremendously. And the Bitcoin Cash right now is literally the best possible on-chain transaction system I know of. In the last 4 weeks, I've been giving away to anybody who bothers to learn $1 of Bitcoin Cash, and it normally takes me 30 seconds to 60 seconds to onboard somebody. And I challenge anyone who doesn't believe it to try yourself. Download a bitcoin.com wallet and then post your Bitcoin Cash address below, and I will try to send you $1. You see how fast that goes. And now I have a message to all the people who have received this $1 from me, starting with the nice people at Tesla. You receive $1, you look at your wallet, now it's like $2, $2.50. Can you do me a favor? Pass on $1 out of your $2 now to someone you know. I don't care who you give it away to. Just pass on the $1 to somebody else. Let someone else experience Bitcoin Cash like I did with you, and spread the word. All right, today this is enough for one day, and I'll give you a panning shot of the area. This place is called Kings Cliff. It's about on the northern tip of New South Wales. It's one of my favorite spots to come in the morning, and with electric cars, driving is practically free. So, and I got plenty of time because of Bitcoin Cash makes this available. All right, see you in the next video. Tomorrow I'll post another one explaining more about the features and beauties of Bitcoin Cash. See ya.